I'm Allison, Account Manager with PCA Skin, and I'm here in my bathroom, makeup free. And the reason why I'm in my bathroom makeup free is because I wanted to share with you one of my favorite products from PCA Skin, ExLinea. So I'll show it to you. So ExLinea is unique. It's a peptide serum that's used as a targeted treatment. So what is amazing about it is that it helps to hydrate my skin with sodium hyaluronate. It also contains squalene, which helps to keep my skin moisturized. And it also contains a very powerful peptide called agirreline, which helps to soften fine lines and wrinkles. And the reason why I love the product is because it's made a huge difference in the depth of my nasolabial folds. So I'll show you how I use it. First, I cleanse and tone, which I've already done already. Then I apply my ExLinea. So I take a pump of it. Okay, rub it between my fingers, and I dab it into my nasolabial folds. I just want to work it in. So after the ExLinea is applied, I apply the rest of my serums, my moisturizer, my SPF for the day, and that's it. So it's an amazing product. I use it twice a day, and it has really softened the deep lines that I had here in my nasolabial folds. So I just wanted to share, and thank you so much for listening. Bye.